Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing the Joytutus Car Fan, dual purpose for front window and rear seat. But before we get into the review, a lot of you have been asking me how do I do this research so fast. I actually put together a complete guide that shows you my exact process. Links in the description down below for you guys to check out. And with that out of the way, let's get into the review. So as you can see here guys, this is the car fan that we were talking about, and this is what it looks like. So as you can see, it is relatively small, and I doubt that this will be any use or any powerful. Doubt that this will be very effective in cooling in the entire car. However, it has a strong airflow as it claims here, and it's also silent, and it can also light a cigarette for your car. So if you're wondering if this is actually good, as you can see, they are rated 4.1 out of 5 stars with 100 ratings here on Amazon. So let's scroll on down here to see the reviews. And as you can see, great fan for a baby car. Okay, baby in the back seat. Real durable fan. If buying for suction cup use, don't bother. So maybe the suctions on this fan are not that strong. So it pops up easily, but it works great to circulate the air around the back of your van. Great fan, perfect for the summer heat, keeps the dogs cool, and a lot more. So maybe the fan is really good. However, the suction is not that bad, not that good. However, there are also other options, but which you can, for example, like this one, you can just clip it on the back of your seat, and it can keep the back part of your car cool. And that is basically it, guys. So this product is pretty good based on the reviews. So yeah. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.